Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out some stainless steel dinner plates, and Paoli did send them over to us for us to check out. Now, boom, right here is what they are. They have some nice branding here on the back side. They are 9 inches in diameter, and they're dinner plates. You can use them for, camping, stuff like that, really strong, sturdy. You don't have to worry about them breaking. If you want your kids to do the dishes and you don't want them to break all your dishes like I did when I was a little kid, cool little thing right here as well. So yeah, overall, really nice. I'll go ahead and give you guys a really quick close-up shot on these. But like I said, they're just stainless steel dinner plates. Nothing too fancy or anything about them. They look really nice here. I got a couple smudges on them from my fingers from handling them, but other than that, they do look really nice. And then, like I said, they do have the Paoli branding here on the back side. So again, if you're looking for some nice dinner plates, go ahead and check these stainless steel ones out from Paoli.